Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to conference call. So if you use Android, you can call many people without any application or third-party application. All you have to do is call one of your friend here, for example. And also you can use WhatsApp, and you can, as you can see, there is a people icon here. You can tap this icon to call one of your friend to make a conference call. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.